Hi children, welcome to the session. So this is Aruna, your maths teacher from our school, Bhadasra Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. See, we are going to see 6th standard maths. The next third chapter is playing with numbers. Children, we have learned about numbers. Na? Already we have learned about numbers. What are all the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 till etc. These numbers they have different names for that numbers, which is called A's. It is natural number, right? When 0 is added with that natural numbers, it have a specific name, which is whole number. Very good. Now, using these numbers, what we are going to learn today differently, let me see. We know multiplication, right? Multiplication table we used in the day-to-day life to find the product or for anything else, right? So, multiples also nothing but using the table only we are going to find the multiples of a number. See, for example, if I am going to take 8, so what are all the multiples of 8 I can write, right? How to write is 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are, what 8 threes are? 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. What is 8 fives are? 8 fives are 40. Is it clear how to find the multiples of a number? See now 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. These all the numbers are the multiples. These all the numbers are the multiples of 8. Is it clear? So, the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and it will be etc. It will be going on till n number of times we can find the multiples. Is it clear children? So, these are all the multiples of 8. Okay. See whether the multiples are countable, whether we can say how many multiples are there for 8. No, it is not countable because it will be going on till n number of times we can multiply and find the answer. So, the multiples are infinite. Okay. And one more thing, how the multiple answers are, these answers, which is 8, which is equal to the number, is it? So, the multiple, the first number 8 is equal to the number. Then what about the remaining numbers? 16, 24, 32 and 40. These numbers are greater than the multiple. Okay. So, it will be equal or greater than the multiple of the number. Is it clear? Now, we will see how to find the multiples. Write the first 5 multiples. Here, they ask you to write only 5 multiples. Okay. For the number 16. So, we are going to use 16 table. 16 ones are 16. So, first 5 in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4 till 5 we are going to find. Okay. Now, 16 into 2. See, just we can multiply this 2 with this 16. 2 6 are 12. 2 remaining is 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 is? Yes, very good. 3. So, 16 twos are 30. Whatever number is given as the question, we can find the multiples just by multiplying the number, we can write the answer. Okay, children? Right. 16 into 3. Find the product of this. 3 6 are 18. Very good. 8. Remaining is 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 48. Next fourth multiple. 16 into 4. 4 6 are, yes, 24. 4 remaining is 2. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So, the answer is 16 fours are 64. Very good. Next 16 into 5. 5 6 are 30. 0 remaining is 3. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Very good. 80. So 16 5s are 80. They ask us to find the first 5 multiples. So 16 to this 80, these are all the first 5 multiples of 16. Is it clear, children? So you should write the answer like multiples of 16 are, the first multiple is 16, next is 32, 48, 64, 80 and till it will be going on. Okay, this is the first 5 multiple of 16. Okay, the next question is, list all the multiples of 7 which lie between 20 and 50. See, multiples of 7 means we should use 7 table. Okay, and we need to write the number between 20 to 50. What are all the numbers are there? Okay, first we will write 7 table here. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. What is 7 threes are? 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. What 7 sevens are? 7 sevens are 49. And what 7 eights are? 7 eights are 56. See, we need the number between 20 and 50. So, the number between 20 and 60 are 21 to 49. So, these are all the multiples of 7 between 20 and 50. So, how to write the answer now? Multiples of multiples of 7 between 20 and 50 are, so between 20 and 50, what are all the multiples of 7 we are going to write, which is 21, 28 and the next multiple is 35 and 42 and 49. Okay, how to write the multiples between 20 and 50? Likewise, you can get any other problems, write the multiples of 7 between 90 to 110. Okay, likewise we can find the multiples also, children. Okay, using this multiples, how can we expect 1 marks now? See the 1 marker. Every number is a multiple of 1 and the number itself, is it? So, every number is a multiple of 1 or the number itself. Okay. The next one is, every number has an dash number of multiples. How many number of multiples are there? Whether it is countable? No, it is uncountable. So, every number has an infinite number of multiples. Infinite number of multiples. Okay. The next question is, every multiple of a number is either, how the multiples will be? The first multiple will be equal to the number. The remaining multiples will be greater than the number, is it? So, every multiple of a number is either equal or dash than the number, greater than the number. Is it clear? What are factors and multiples? Okay. So, in this session we have learned about factors and multiples, children. So, this is the study material. In the study material, the question with answer is given for you, which is attached in the description box. Okay. See, question bank is there. Question bank is nothing but only with questions you can see this question bank. Okay. Using this question bank you can find the answers, and using the study material verify your answers too. After your practicing time is over, you can write self assessment for your verification, and you can write the self assessment which is attached in the description box for you, children. So, how much you have learned you can evaluate by yourself. So, whatever in this session we have seen, the questions are given in the self assessment. Okay, children. So, make use of the session and write the test well. Thank you, children.